Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Terry with TNT Customs, and yeah, it's TNT Living. That's bad when you have a company name and your YouTube page name. So similar. Anyway, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to make a sourdough loaf with butter. So I call it butter bread because it's nice and flaky and everything. So here we go. Okay, so there's the recipe. My microphone obviously wasn't working. So we're going to put in the starter. And this time I had to scrape I was making 2 loaves, so I had to scrape. And then my water. And I like to mix it together after I mix the water and the starter together. Put olive oil in it, honey, salt. And I measure this all as I'm going. I had to put the honey upside down so I can get it out easier. It's getting pretty crystallized there. Mix it together, then you add your flour. I want to say it was 500 grams of flour for 2 loaves. Of course, all you have to do is screenshot the recipe I put up there. Now I'm using my KitchenAid for the butter. Just shred it up, mix it all in, and treat it like a normal sourdough loaf. Here is the final product. 2 loaves. It's beautiful. It's flaky on the outside. Okay, I just cut the second one and you can see how flaky it is. And it tastes fantastic. So I think 1 stick is good. I think 2 sticks would have been too much, especially for a sandwich bread. And again, this is sourdough minus, a lot of people show sourdough recipes for sandwich bread that has yeast in it, and this does not. All right. All right, thanks for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.